Only two things are good about sucking a woman. I am targeting the men who suck the woman. I am also targeting the women who like that men should suck them. What do we mean by sucking here? We are talking about oral sex. Mouth to genital. Why do you do it? Why do some couple like doing it? Two things only. I will tell you, they are only good for two things. Will you risk your life, your health, just by trying to gain these two things? Ladies and gentlemen, pay attention to this video. Just by sucking the woman, you stand a primary risk of sexually transmissible infections. Infections by bacteria, infections by fungi, infections by viruses, infections by protozoa. When I talk of infections by viruses, it could be as serious as HIV, AIDS. You can get it just by sucking a woman. It can be as serious as, transmitting this virus that causes cervical cancer in a woman. We call it HPV, human papilloma virus. Herpes, infection. The herpes virus transmitted through this kind of means. Then bacterial infections. It may be gonorrhea. It may be syphilis. It may be chlamydia and more. Do you know that before you are going forward to suck a woman, what have you done to ensure that the milieu, that you are safe in that process? My dear brothers, my dear sisters, it is good for two people to be together. A man and a woman who love themselves. It is good to take any measure that will bind them more, cause the bonding to be better. But you have to think and reflect, both of you, because you stand a risk that may be very dangerous for your entire life. I will tell you the two things that are good in it. But I am only struggling to let you know that there are certain conditions that must be put in place to ensure that you are safe, that you are not standing the risk of any of these type of infections. You are not even standing a risk of trauma, like you may cause yourself wounds, bruises, that could result into something else, that could even bring you pain. What have you done? One, you are supposed to be very fidel, meaning maintain one man, maintain one woman. Do you think it is possible for you so that both of you from the beginning can go for counseling? You want to marry the lady, go for premarital counseling. Or you want to get the woman pregnant, go for preconception or preconceptual counseling. There in that process, you are going to be screened. They are going to do a screening for STIs and HIV. They are going to do screening for hepatitis B, hepatitis C. They are going to do screening for human papilloma virus, for herpes, for bacterial infections. They are going to screen both of you. So that if there is a problem, we treat both of you. And then make sure that both of you are neat, you are clean. You can match with each other without any further risk. I used to wonder how films that we call them pornographic films, I used to wonder how they do them until a professor explained to us that such companies sign contracts and get these ladies and men well screened, treated, and pay them, and there is no risk. And now ask, now that in our communities, one evening, almost all nightclubs are full, and they're leaving the nightclubs and they sneak into one corner or the other, and they just involved in all kind of things. The ones that are only sucking, you wonder, is it watermelon they are sucking? Is it this thing that they call the ladies call this thing that what? Ice cream? Is it ice cream that you're sucking? Is it chocolate? Is it chocolate like mambo chocolate? Is it sweet bonbon? What? Oh my God. If you like it, if that is what will bond you better to the colleague, to the partner, to the couple, then please, all what I've described on how to ensure that you are safe, and both of you are safe for that process. What about your mouth? Don't you know that there are mouth infections that you get them only by sucking a woman? You can have serious trouble only with your mouth thrush, and you may finally have cracks in your mouth. You may finally have other infections of the gums. In fact, your mouth is equally greatly at risk, and then your life in general. Make sure that the woman is safe. Make sure that you are safe for her. It is very simple. You go to the hospital. Else, the only two things that people are yearning for is 1, pleasure. 2, intimacy. Yeah? Is it just for pleasure? 2-3 minutes pleasure. 5 minutes pleasure should put you down for 5 years, 10 years, bad health, maybe to death. Now, I have told you what it takes if you truly want pleasure through sucking. I said my own. I educate the world. Then I said number 2 is the bonding, the intimacy. Then, a lot will tell you that, no, when I do that, we love ourselves. It's like we are tied together. It's like we are glued together. Yes, glued together. But stay away from disease, from infection. That will kill you. That will even disrupt all of that pleasure and intimacy. Only the 2 things that you benefit from it. If you are not confident of what you are doing, then stay away from it. Forget that pleasure at that moment. Forget that intimacy at that moment, and stay healthy and stay alive. But if you must have this pleasure, every normal human being needs the pleasure, yes. Clear your system. Clear out the woman's system. Both of you now stick to each other. Can you stick to one woman? Papa, listen. Can you stick? Look at me in the eye and speak. Can you stick to one woman for how long? Can you? Can you? Answer the question. Tell the woman something. If you cannot follow the measures that are put in place, else small pleasure that is pushing anybody will bring you serious trouble. Yes. My name is Dr. David AYEM. I am here in Bamenda, in Tarikun, Bamenda, Cameroon. Yes. I'm your reproductive health expert. I hold a PhD in public health, but I've chosen to come to you. I come to you on social media. I will teach you reproductive health in every topic of your choice. You have the right to request a topic, And we research and come up and we talk it. We talk it. Those things that people don't want to speak. You want to hide them out in the armpit before you speak. As far as they relate to reproductive health, we will teach you to speak out. Speak. And use only the right names. Don't go and tell me that penis is called what? Pecus. No. They call it, some people call it what? Toto. No. Don't call that kind of name where I am. Don't go and do what my countryman did. That they taught him only how to wear condom. Condom, my dear people. A whole chief of center in a health center was holding the thumb like this and pick condom and wearing on the thumb and tell you that, Papa, you know that big finger now. You open this thing like a pinch and roll. Put on that big finger and roll. And Papa went back and was putting it on the finger and then could not even hold the wife well because he's holding the finger up like this, believing that just by suspending the finger up and then having sexual contact, it will prevent pregnancy. Lie. They did not mean this thumb. They did not mean this big finger. It was talking about penis. Yeah? So when, oh, Jesus, God help us. Thank you. Please like this video, share it. Make your comment, okay? But if you like to talk with me, you can go on WhatsApp. The numbers, 694-353141. Only message or voicemail, we will respond to you. Thank you. I am gone. That was that for today.